Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and we're doing today's top 5 plants. We are going to start with this beautiful begonia basket. It's a red and white shade basket, and what I really love about it is we have one bacopa planted in the middle, and it is just pouring out all of the edges. It's also got 3 non-stop red begonias as well as English ivy. So this is a perfect basket to go in the shade. You can grow this on the north side or the east side of your home, or anywhere that it'll get shade in the afternoon. So but these begonias need shade from 1 o'clock to 5 o'clock. So that is number 1 for today's top 5. Our next plant for today's top 5 are frizzle sizzle pansies. Now these are probably one of our favorite pansies ever. They have little ruffled petals, and they're just so cute, like a little baby girl dress with the little ruffles, like an old pinafore. And they're just cute as can be. They're going to bloom for you all summer. Pansies love a bit of shade, so they'll do very well again on the north side or the east side. This time of year they're fine in full sun, but as it gets really hot in the summer, pansies will stop blooming for a while, so give them a bit of shade and you'll have color all summer long. Alright, so our third plant for today's top 5 plants is this beautiful new coleus. It's called Vulcan, and this coleus has just really pretty ruffled edges on it. It's really deep scallops with like kind of a yellowy lime green edge and just a really deep rust. This is gonna grow about 20 inches tall and be super full. This coleus can go in the shade or in the sun, so it's really versatile. For the fourth plant for today's top 5 plants is our Supertunia Vista hanging basket. So this is a blend of bubblegum, fuchsia, and silverberry Supertunias, and it's going to be a gigantic ball. It's going to be probably a good 3 feet by 3 foot ball, actually 3 feet by 3 feet. Lots of water, lots of fertilizer to keep this happy all summer long. It can probably go outside by May long weekend, and you'll enjoy beautiful blooming petunias late into October. This is the same petunias that cities and towns use in their municipal hanging baskets, and it's just gorgeous. Like, it's just so pretty. So no deadheading, really easy to grow. So we have a couple of those in store if you're looking. And for the 5th plant for today's top 5 is another proven winner plant. This is called Sweet Caroline Red Hawk. So this is one of the proven winner potato vines, and it just has really beautiful rusty colored leaves. What I really like about it is the brand new leaves come out actually green colored, and they turn to brownie bronze rust color as they age. This is going to be a really full and kind of trailing potato vine, and this can go from sun or shade, so sun to shade for this one. So really great potato vine. Use this as an accent in planters spilling out, or in hanging basket as well. Not really suited for flower beds or in the ground, but it'd do great in window boxes as well. So thanks for watching, and that's today's top 5 plants. See you guys later.